Ernie Johnson here alongside Shaquille O'Neal, Charles Barkley, and Kenny Smith on location here in the Northeast, where a massive snowstorm has just dumped 2 feet of snow over a vast area of landmass. Shaquille, let's get your thoughts first on this storm.
This snowstorm dominated with flake size, with flake frequency, and flake temperature.
What you talking about, flake temperature?
I'm saying this is a superstar storm, Chuck.
You can't even say it. First of all, second of all, what's a superstar storm?
Superstar storm dominates in 6 different categories: flake size, flake frequency, flake temperature.
What's that mean, flake temperature?
This storm was really, these flakes was really cold.
All snow is cold, Shaq.
This is a superstar storm, Chuck.
Shaquille, ain't no such thing as hot snow. Tell him, Kenny.
I thought this snow in particular was cold, most notably cold to the touch. Shaq, go ahead. Fellas, why don't we turn to the Weather Channel and let's get their thoughts.